The dream of getting rich often feels out of reach, particularly if you believe that wealth requires a hefty initial investment or a lucky break. However, the truth is, many successful entrepreneurs have built their fortunes not from a windfall or a massive inheritance, but by leveraging something they already possessed, their skills. If you have a skill set you're passionate about, you are sitting on a gold mine. Here's how you can use what you already have to start a business and get rich. Identify your core skills. Before diving into the business world, it's essential to identify the skills that set you apart. Are you a natural problem solver? Do you have a talent for writing, designing, or coding? Maybe you're great at teaching, organizing, or managing projects. Start by making a list of all the skills you possess, both soft and hard skills. This list will become the foundation for your business idea. Find a market need. Once you've identified your core skills, the next step is to find a market need. Research industries or niches where your skills are in high demand. If you are a skilled writer, businesses are always in need of quality content for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials. If you are a web developer, there's a constant demand for websites and apps. The key is to match your skill set with a problem that needs solving. Start small and lean. One of the biggest misconceptions about starting a business is that it requires significant upfront capital. However, many successful entrepreneurs started with little to no money. You can start small by offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. This allows you to test the waters, build a client base, and gain experience without the financial risk of starting a full-fledged business. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you can start by taking on freelance projects. As you build a portfolio and a reputation, you can gradually expand your services and client base. Leverage technology. Technology will help you start your business. You can use online platforms to market your skills, find clients, and even automate parts of your business. Social media, freelancing websites, and personal websites are powerful tools for reaching a global audience without spending a dime. Platforms like LinkedIn can connect you with clients looking for your specific skill set. Meanwhile, a well-maintained social media presence can help you build your brand and attract customers organically. Network and collaborate. Networking is a critical component of growing your business. By connecting with others in your industry, you can gain valuable insights, find opportunities for collaboration, and increase your visibility. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people who might be able to help you grow your business. Collaboration can also open new revenue streams. For example, if you are a web developer, partnering with a graphic designer can allow you to offer a more comprehensive service to your clients. Upskill continuously. To stay competitive and continue growing your business, it's essential to keep learning. Invest time in upskilling and staying updated with the latest trends in your industry. This could mean taking online courses, attending workshops, or simply dedicating time each week to learning something new. Upskilling can also allow you to diversify your services. For example, if you are a content writer, learning about SEO can make your services more valuable to clients looking to improve their online presence. Focus on delivering value. Ultimately, the key to getting rich using your skills is to focus on delivering value. When you consistently provide high-quality work that solves your clients' problems, you build a reputation that leads to repeat business and referrals. Over time, this can lead to higher rates, bigger projects, and more significant opportunities. Scale when the time is right. As your business grows, look for opportunities to scale. This might mean hiring additional help, expanding your services, or even creating products based on your expertise. For example, if you are a consultant, you might create an online course or write a book to reach a broader audience. Scaling should be done strategically, and only when you have the processes in place to handle the increased workload. However, when done correctly, scaling can significantly increase your income potential. The bottom line is that getting rich doesn't necessarily require a revolutionary idea or a large amount of startup capital. By leveraging the skills you already have, identifying a market need, and delivering consistent value, you can build a business that grows over time. Remember, wealth is often built slowly, through persistence, continuous learning, and smart business decisions.